Hey guys, it's Nick Ash Little Paws. So today's video will be about my top 10 favorite squishies. My second time filming because the first time it was like 12 minutes. I'm like, so if you guys didn't know, I used to be addicted to squishies like 2 years ago, but not as crazy as I am right now for squishies. Like I never ordered them online. I'm just like, oh, it's a cute ice cream squishy, I should get one. Oh, it's a cute dice bar, yeah, whatever. But then I kind of stopped because I'm like, I'm not into this. And then now I'm like, of course I need to get this. So yeah. So today's video, like I said, will be about my squishy, top 10 squishy and favorite squishies. And this will be in no particular order. So let's get started. So first off, I really love this bread. I don't know why I even love it. It's not even squishy. Hi, baby. Hi. Say, follow me on Godzilla, baby. Hi. I just follow. He's watching. Yeah. Oh, girl. Want to sit down with me? Here. Can you sit? Ariana Grande and Tokyo right now. Ariana Grande is in Tokyo right now. So, yeah. I'll show you him too. So I really love this. Super cute. You watched it? You getting that? Dad, what is this? You see that movie? It usually says squishy. So then you see that movie? The muscle? Be quiet, okay? You see that muscle? I also really love this burger. It's so rice. That's where you see that muscle? Yeah, Mega Godzilla. Godzilla. Oh yeah, Godzilla. Godzilla. Yes. So yeah, never squishies with your nails, by the way, because my squishy people's nails should be really short. Unlike my sister, which her nails are gross. Godzilla? Because like if she cuts her nails, like her nails are this long, right? If she cuts it, her nails are gonna be like that, and she's 12 years old. If I cut my nails, that's why I don't grow my nails. It's gonna be like this. It's like this already. If I cut it, there's no difference basically. So off track. So anyways, I really love this. Then this blush bun. Panda bun. And please comment down below if panda buns and blush buns are supposed to have Godzilla. Yeah. If you love Godzilla, like this video. And comment down below if you guys know if like panda buns and blush buns are supposed to have licensing, because some people say theirs do. So I don't really know. But I really love this. It has a pink bow. No, so it doesn't have a pink bow. Then I also really love this bread. I got it really defective, but I made it even really defective. So yeah. I found a good finger. So I really love it so much. This part is my favorite squish because it's so rising. The other parts are just soft and stuff. Squishy. Then I also really love this waffle. It's super slow rising. And I love this toast. I love this turtle, my all-time fave. I'm just overreacted by the way. And this is the tag. And I have all of the creatures. So yeah. Dan, what's this? The tag. The tag. It's really airy inside, so yeah. Yeah, the tag. The tag. And these are only $2. Wow, Gamma. Then my first ever squishy, Daiso squishy. Oh, not one. Daiso doesn't sell squishies anymore where I live.
Grandma's good. Grandma's good. Grandma's good.
Really? I didn't know that. That's in Japanese.
Yeah.
Then my Auntie Marisa gave it to me. It's my first ever squishy with deco on top. Yeah. So. It doesn't smell that good. So that is basically my top 10 favorite squishies. So now I'll show you guys my squishy wish list. So first from Creamy Candy, the stuff I want are, the total is $34.84, and the stuff I want are Rare Jumbo New Eye Bloom I Love Peach Scented in color yellow pink, and that is $15.16.
That's expensive.
I'll do a separate video on this, whatever. Bye. Hope you guys please enjoy this video. Comment down below what you guys want to see next. Bye.
And click here and get more.
Click here if you guys love Gamala.
Oh.
And follow Godzilla Baby.
Godzilla's movie.
And you guys are watching.
Oh, it's funny.